This is the generative AI job role from TCS. And by learning or by joining generative AI project based learning course, you are able to apply for this kind of roles, even equivalent to 3 to 5 year of experience. You can learn it, but still you can. But how exactly you can apply to this? Now, in this particular program, project based program, you will be developing a hands on experience. So, we started from no coding until you develop the POCs or MVPs related to generative AI. So, now it's going to be equivalent to 3 years of experience level knowledge you are able to accumulate it with this project based training. Now, what you will be learning? So, the same role, knowledge in below generative AI technologies, you will be learning, you will be implementing projects on AWS Bedrock, SageMaker, App Studio. You will be developing projects using Google Vertex AI, GenAI App Builder, and you will be developing projects using Azure OpenAI services, AI Cloud Foundry, AI Studio, and machine learning. And you need to have an experience on any one platform. As you are developing projects on Agentic AI, ML, and all of this using any of these three, obviously you'll be having this particular role. And then we will be start learning this from basics of Python, from basics of SQL. As you are no coding background, you are able to start learning from scratch so that you are able to gain experience on this data as tools like SQL and Pandas, and we make you to work on the projects as well so that you are able to easily confidently explain them to your recruiters. And then you will be developing an experience on deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch. Yes, you will be doing that. You will be learning computer vision, you will be learning RNNs, you will be learning transformer theory, and you code them for fine tuning and all of that. And you will be developing Python from scratch with and Python for AI, and you will be learning DSA, and you will be learning coding preparation as well for Python. And you learn prompt techniques. Yes, using lang chains, you are able to do various prompt techniques like chain of thought prompt, tree of thought prompt. You will be doing your zero shot prompt, few shot prompt, dynamic few shot prompt, etc. And you will be integrating this AI models into various applications using APIs. Yes, and you will be developing various AI design patterns for RAG architecture, orchestration patterns, event driven. You will be developing projects or POCs on all of them. You will be setting proper guardrails, and you will be developing various safety implementations for your AI implementations. And you will be having an experience. Yes, you learn machine learning, deep learning, NLP, statistical modeling, data visualization, and experience with large data sets. Yes, you will be doing all of them so that you will be learning them from scratch so that you can able to implement all of this from scratch in a real-time environment in BPEC. And you will be having an experience on developing AI agents or agentic AI, and you have a better understanding on cost and performance optimization for reducing the billing. And all of these roles, we will be learning it in this project-oriented program, as well as you will be developing POCs and MVPs. And it starts from basics until developing your projects. You can place in experience, you can be a fresher, and still you can apply for the roles around 3 years of experience or 2 year of experience range. You can still apply. In case if you want to get into the batch, there are weekday batches and weekend batches. The enrollments are already started. In case if you want to learn more about it, the links are in the description.